Hello, let's see how to fix error called the support library should not use a different version than the compile SDK version. First of all, you have to note these old dependencies that got this error. I'm going to copy this code and in note here. Okay, now I'm going to remove this card view, recycle view and design. It got issue. After that, click sync now. Now in Android Studio, click File and Project Structure and App in Modules row and Dependencies and click Add button and select Library Dependency. Now open your node and you can search for every dependencies using the library package name. Right. First of all, this one, click OK and add again another one. Next one is com.android.support.recycle view. Also let's add that. Also last one for me. Okay, now click OK. Alright,